To remove this indicator housing, push it forward and press out. So you can see there's the spring tab, plastic, and this side just the catch. So to remove the bulb, just pull this out. I'm going to use my two hands. To remove the bulb holder, just pull it out. It's a plastic. So here is the bulb. To remove the bulb, just pull it out. So here is the bulb. To plug it in, look at the orientation. So you should plug in that way. To put the housing back, so you can see there are two tabs here. There's the marker here, there's the mark here, and they should be aligned with the mark here and a mark on the other side. So when you install the housing, you should let it go that way. So you can see two marks on the housing and the bulb holder aligned together. So put everything back. Put this spring side in first, and then push downward and forward. It's in.